Puerto Rico with Carlos, Charlie, Medina, Rosario, and with Magdalena, and today is the day that we've been waiting for. Charlie's been without power for over 300 days. For over 3 years, he's been without power. And yesterday, was it yesterday or today that they turned the power on? Yeah? Yesterday they turned the power on. After 300 days, we built him a house. He's got water. And Magdalena is going to pray for the blessings to Charlie and his Castillo de Medina.
Padre, honramos tu nombre y te damos gracias por esta bendición, Dios, que hoy recibimos de parte tuya, Padre, para proveerle a Medina, Señor, la luz, el agua, y haber usado, Señor, como canal de bendición a Michael, Padre mío, para poder estar aquí en Puerto Rico como un ángel tuyo, Señor Jesús. Gracias, Señor, por esta visitación tuya, y sé tú bendiciendo, Señor, a este hombre que has traído, Señor, de tan lejos hasta Puerto Rico. Seas tú glorificándote, Señor, de manera especial, y glorifícate en la vida, Señor, de Medina, Dios amado. Gracias, Jesús. Gracias, Padre, en el nombre del Padre, del Hijo y del Espíritu Santo.
Amen. We want to thank everybody that was in on this project. We want to thank Blake and Valerie for letting us stay at their house. And we want to thank everybody, Sixto and Eugene, our volunteer of the year, and all the, well, not all the people, but the 1 or 2 people in Virginia that are supporting us. It's a sad story that you guys were in on an opportunity, but chose to deny God and his power. And we're just grateful to serve, and we're going to continue to put roofs on the other 20,000 families in Puerto Rico that have been without roofs for 3 years. This we pray in Jesus' name. Amen.